Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here's Michael.Rada once again, and I have a small story for you. Yesterday, I was loading cable drums on a truck again. I do it regularly every 2 weeks to save them from a landfill. And I was talking to the worker over there who worked there for more than 10 years. And I asked him how his work was influenced by the implementation of the industrial upcycling systematic waste prevention. His answer? It's great, Mr. Rada. Even my daughter is proud of me and call me zero waste dad. I was happy to hear that. I was so happy that not just the CEOs and general managers like the systematic waste prevention because it prevents not only waste but even money being wasted. But I'm even more happier that the workers see the same and their children. Industry 5.0 is the first industrial evolution ever led by man. It is based on systematic waste prevention. And I am not happy when I see speeches, workshops, webinars, white papers, whatever, saying that Industry 5.0 is a sales tool for technology to speed up the orders, to make more money in shorter time. No. It's a lie delivered by people who don't have their own intention and ability to find a name for the way or for the work how they are working, for the way how they are working or for their work. They steal the name of Industry 5.0. They steal it to sell their own product and services. But they forgot one. I am not the dead founder like many are. I am here. I am alive. And I will do everything to prevent waste happen, even if the waste is wasting with time of other people by delivering wrong information and promises. Industry 5.0 is my child. It's strong. It's going global in 2020. But it is not and will not be a sales tool. Please remember that. And if you have any question referring to Industry 5.0, please get in touch with me. My phone number is 00420 728. Wrong. That was wrong. My phone number, let's do it again. As you see, Industry 5.0 is not perfect. Even me is not perfect, so I was right. 00420 728 492 512. Not sure if you will see it correctly. I hope so. Or send me an email, Michael.Rada@gmail.com. It's easy. I will do maximum to support you. Because I have one and only aim. To build wasteless world. It's not for me, but for everyone and for all the children which come. And I would be very happy if they can live on a blue marble, on a planet which is not only beautiful, but healthy as well. Have a nice day free of waste and wasting in all its forms. And please do understand that you are not only human, you are a human, so be proud of it. Bye bye.